Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to compare the Battlegrounds mobile game ping value comparison between the Realme GT Master Edition versus iQOO Z5 device. And during this process of testing I did use the Jio SIM card as an example, and this is a question which has been requested by a few of my users asking me to compare these both phones right now after the recent updates as well. Let's see how much difference the ping value will be there between these two devices. Right now let me do to clear all the apps from the background, so all the apps are completely clear from the background. So first I need to show you exactly what is the SIM cards I did install in this device. So is the RX Monitor application where you can actually see clearly the Jio SIM card in the operator name in this RX Monitor application, as you can see friends clearly. And only the 4G SIM card is on, there is no Wi-Fi connection enabled at this moment. And let's see which phone will be able to open this game faster. And Ultra game mode is on. Let's start 1, 2 and 3. So both phones they do have the Snapdragon 778G processor as well, and game space is turned on and Ultra game mode is also turned on at this moment. And here comes, let's see which phone will be able to open this game fast using the 4G connection as well, and then we'll try to focus on the ping value. So I need to connect both phones into the same server. So first phone to on is the iQOO 7 device. It turn on first, and now let me try to connect to the same kind of server. So same, right now both phones are connected exactly, and both are connected to same kind of Wi-Fi, I mean 4G connection only, there is no Wi-Fi at all, sorry. Now let's see friends what will be the ping value once the game begins, and we'll be able to see which phone actually joins the game faster. So even that kind of speed test also you can actually see at this moment. Right now both phones are starting at the same time. Let's see. This is going to be really very interesting to see. First the iQOO Z5 did start a little bit kind of faster than the Realme GT Master Edition. Now let me to show you the ping value comparison between both phones. Realme GT Master Edition has got 14 milliseconds and 44 milliseconds in the iQOO Z5. Slightly kind of less milliseconds in the iQOO Z5, but now it's more 76 versus 56. And after some time I'll try to do is I'll try to open the classic match as well. Opening the classic match, we'll try to find out what's happening. Try to observe the ping values, what is going on in the ping values. So ping value 56 while I'm trying to game. So right now let me to join in the classic match and let me to start playing the game in the classic match. Let's see what will the ping values. Let's go to the home page. So I'll let you select the classic match, not the teamlet match. So yes. So right now I did join in the same map, and let me show you the, as you can see, ping values 56 milliseconds in the iQOO Z5 and 72 in the Realme GT Master Edition, not bad. So both phones were kind of pretty close to each other, nothing much huge difference overall. So iQOO Z5 and the Realme GT Master Edition. So iQOO Z5 is maintaining around 52 and 64. Right now as you can see it's 48 milliseconds, 48.56, not bad. Let's see how much the ping value will be there. So after some time, so till now it was completely fine. So both phones were very close, 44 and 48 only. So nothing much huge difference. 48, as you can see clearly, not bad. So that's pretty close friends regarding the both phones, regarding the ping values. You can absolutely see the difference. Nothing much huge difference is there at this moment. So 251 it increased in the iQOO Z5. iQOO Z5 went up to 251 milliseconds as well. We did see some kind of red color indication in the iQOO Z5 at this moment. It's something kind of strange. So again it increased to 126 as well milliseconds and 64 milliseconds. I'm trying to use only the 4G connection only between these both phones. So only 4G connection. So maybe the Realme GT Master Edition was able to maintain slightly kind of better, but iQOO Z5 still it's going 187, 137. Yes, it's going above that kind of margin. And let's keep running, and now let's see what happens with the ping value at this moment again. So well friends, iQOO Z5 was able to maintain like slightly sometimes higher ping values as well in the iQOO Z5 when compared with the Realme GT Master Edition. Randomly I'm trying to detect this kind of high ping values. So this is friends, thank you for watching this a quick comparison between both phones regarding the ping value comparison Battlegrounds mobile game. And in case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off, until then, stay tuned. Bye.